Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Wix, how to create your website on Wix for your custom cake and dessert creations business, easy and quick. So first type Wix on the search. So as we know, Wix website is a type of website that you can create easily using a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know much about coding. Wix offers various tools to design, add content and customize your site, making it accessible for people who aren't tech savvy. So first create a new site. Now build with Wix editor. Now enter your business type. So for example, let's choose this. You can choose any one of these as you like. Now enter your website name, any website name you want. Here if you want to add something to your website, so go to dashboard. Now you can design your site from here. So how would you like to design your website? If you want to let Wix create a site for you, or if you want to customize the design template. So for me I'm gonna choose this, it's more easier. Now enter your information, your name, your business name, your email and your address, your phone, and here if you want to add some social links. Now let's continue. Now pick a theme you like. So here pick your favorite homepage. Now add page to your site. Now wait a few seconds preparing the homepage website. Now your site is running, is ready. If you want to edit more your site, click here. So this is your homepage website. If you want to add elements, click here. So the first element is the text. If you here you can edit the size or the form of the text, the titles or the paragraphs. So that's it. Now let's move on to the image elements. If you're looking for something, here if you want to upload image, if you want to import image, if you're looking for some free Wix image or free Wix illustrations. So that's it. Now let's move on to the button. Also the buttons, here you can edit the size or the shape of the buttons. You have here the themed buttons, the text and icon buttons, the icon buttons, the image buttons, documents buttons, the iTunes buttons, and the Wix chat buttons. You can add any one of them at any place you want on the home page. So here you find the payments buttons. You have to add some payments buttons on your home page. So let's move on to the strip. Here you find the strip elements, the classic, featured, about, services, contact, welcome and testimonials, and theme. Here we find decorative, the shapes, the themed lines or the basic shapes, the rows, the horizontal lines and the vertical lines. Here we find the vector art, the featured, icons, animals and nature, and logos and the badges and the characters. Here we find the video elements, the video box, the video mask and transparent video. So if you want, just select any one of them and you can put it on your home page. Now let's move on to the boxes elements, the themed boxes, the container boxes, the hover boxes and the tabs. Now let's move on to the gallery elements. Here we find that if you're looking for some recommended galleries, if you want to add some pro galleries or guide galleries or slider galleries, if you want to if you want to add more galleries. Now let's move on to the menu and the anchor. Here we find your menus. You find the themed menus, the horizontal menus and the vertical menus. Here the in-page navigation, the anchor, and the in-page menu. Here you find the site search. So that's it. Now let's move on to the contact and forms. So here you find all the forms you have to add on your homepage website. You find the contact, the order, the registration, the donation forms, the application forms, the feedback forms, the request forms, the waiver forms, and subscribe forms. Here you find the Google Maps, the normal maps, and the full width maps. And here you find the chat, the Wix chat button, and the line button. Here you find the video and music. Here if you want to add some video, single video players, Wix video or video box or video mask or transparent video, select any one of them. You can add it as any place on your home page. Here you find the music elements. If you want to add some audio players, Wix music or SoundCloud player or Spotify player or iTunes player. Here you find the interactive, the slideshows, the full width slideshows or the boxes slideshows, the light boxes, and here you find the hover boxes and the tabs. Here you find the over repeaters. So that's it. Now let's move on to the list. You find the repeaters, the over repeaters, and the blank repeaters. Here you find the embed code if you want to add custom some popular embeds. If you want to add some single video players. Here if you want to edit your audio elements, the SoundCloud player or Spotify player or iTunes button. Here we find the advanced elements, the marketing tools or the Velo dev mode, and the last here is the animation elements. Here we find the social bar elements. You can add Facebook link or Twitter or Pinterest or VK or Line. And here you find the YouTube elements. You can add it on your homepage at any place. Here you find the payments. You can add the payments buttons, the payments forms, and the pricing plans. And the last here is the store element. You can edit your store section here. Now let's move on to the CMS. Here if you want to use the CMS, you can easily manage your site content and the blog. Here you find the blog section, the store. Also here you can edit the store elements, the bookings. Here you find the booking elements and the related elements and the pricing plans. And let's move on now to the events and the community. Here you can manage your community section, the members, the forum, and the groups and the online programs. And the last here is your designs. So that's it. Now if you want to add some sections, click here, select any section you want to add on your home page. If you want to add some pages and menus, click here. So here you can add some pages. If you want to add sites menu. Now let's move on here if you want to design your site. So if you want to customize your site content, here if you want to edit the color theme or the text theme or the page background or the page transitions. Here if you want to edit, if you want to add some more apps, if you want to manage your business. Here if you want to upload your media, so you can edit images and videos. Also you can, if you're looking for some free Wix images or free Wix videos, here you can use the CMS and manage your site contents. And here if you want to manage the Google ads or the Facebook ads or the social media marketing or the marketing integrations. So that's it. After you're done from designing your website, all you have to do is click here publish, and you're gonna publish your website easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.